So today's announcement announced that the updates on GPT-4 model, okay, that is the GPT-4 Turbo model, now significantly smarter and more pleasant to use. Before deep dive into the topic, if you're watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Now, OpenAI introduced the GPT-4 Turbo model, that is the new LLM model, is now available to paid GPT users. They have improved capabilities in writing, math, logical reasoning, and also coding. Take a look at this picture, and this is the benchmark comparisons of different benchmarks that we can discuss later. And let me quickly show you the example of the previous response of GPT-4 model and the current update of GPT Turbo model. So take a look at this example. When writing with GPT, ChatGPT, responses will be more direct, less verbose, and use more conversational languages. So they have asked the ChatGPT the questions like very like SMS reminding. They want to send SMS reminding friends to RSVP to my birthday dinner invite. This is the query they have asked. This is the previous bot response like, hey, the friend's name you can write and then invitations for birthday dinner. It's more lengthy responses, right? And the GPT Turbo model giving the short and crispy answers. This is one of the enhancements they have done, improved with the capabilities of GPT Turbo model. And then they said like they're continuing the investigations in making their models better and look forward to seek what you do. If you have not tried it yet, GPT-4 Turbo is available in GPT, ChatGPT Plus, Team Enterprise, and also APIs. You can also try using the GPT-4 Turbo model and let me know what you think about these updates of GPT-4 Turbo model. And one more update they have. This is one of the craziest questions they have asked with ChatGPT 4. They asking question like, "What's your knowledge cutoff date?" So ChatGPT giving responses like, "My training includes information up till April 2024. How can I assist you?" This is quite amazing, right? Let me quickly click the GitHub link. We can discuss about the GitHub codes, what they have provided, and also the benchmark performance. This is the GitHub link they have provided, and they have evaluated the model with different benchmarks. Let's quickly discuss the benchmark performance and the results. So take a look at this. When comparing with GPT-4 Turbo, that is the latest LLM, OpenAI LLM model with other LLM like Clad 3, Opus, Gemini Ultra, and Gemini Pro. They have compared the different benchmarks. So when it comes to math, the GPT-4 Turbo performing well, it giving the percentage of 73.4, 72.2, and the Clad family giving 63.2 percentage. But GPT-4 Turbo giving high compared to other LLM models, and Gemini also giving 53.2 and 58.5. And in human evaluation also, GPT-4 Turbo giving higher percentage, that is 88.2, 87.6, and Clad giving 84.8, 82.9, 84.9, and Gemini are giving less than 80 percentage. In MMLU benchmarks, the GPT giving 86.7, 86.5, and the other LLM are providing the Clad highest percentage is 86.8 percentage. So I think this is the highest. No, GPT here also GPT-4 Turbo is giving the highest percentage, that is 1%, 0.1% of deviations between two. I think Clad 3 there is deviation of 0.1%. So it's like a similar results. And others also it giving highest percentage. If you are interested to try it out GPT-4 Turbo model, please go and try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel for more content about AI. Thank you.